Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Heat. As we have discussed in the last lecture about the heat, that is a form of energy which pass from one form of matter to the other, like from the higher temperature body or the hotter body to the colder body. Today we are going to discuss the difference between the heat and temperature. As we know that heat cannot be only judged by the sense of touch. We have to measure the heat with the help of the thermometer. So, because for measuring the thermometer, the thermometer is used to measure the temperature. So, the basic difference between the heat and temperature is heat is a form of energy and temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of the body. Second, heat, we can measure the heat in the joules, that is the unit of the heat. Second, we can measure the temperature in the Kelvin or degree Celsius. Third difference is the heat, it is not determined directly by an instrument, means we can judge the heat, how much the hotter the body is or the any matter is by the sense of touch. But temperature it can be directly measured by thermometer. Okay, this is about the difference between heat and temperature. Now the question is, how will you measure the temperature? Temperature is measured by a device that is known as the thermometer. So thermometer is actually a combination of two words, thermo plus meter. Thermo means heat and meter means to measure. So thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature. So thermometer measures the temperature or thermometer measures the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Third use of thermometer, it measures the kinetic energy that is due to the movement of the molecules. It usually measures the kinetic energy of air molecules in the air. So this is about the thermometer term and use of the thermometer. Now there are two types of thermometers. There are two types of thermometer that are, one is the clinical thermometer that are used in the clinics as the name indicate. Second one is the digital thermometer that we are using in our daily life. So, whatever the types of the thermometer types, the major difference between the different types of thermometer is that they all have a property that changes with temperature. Okay, so now the question is, how do they work? Second, what is the use of these thermometers? As you can see in the figure, the difference between the laboratory and the clinical thermometer. Both are made up of the glass, but they have their different uses. As laboratory and the clinical thermometer have some similarities also, as they are made up of the like glass. So and second, both have a long, narrow and uniform glass tubes. Second difference is the bulb of both thermometers have mercury in them. Mercury is actually a heavy metal. The rise and fall of the mercury will tell us how much the body is colder or hotter. Okay, so this is about the similarities. Now we have to know the difference between the clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is generally scaled from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. Means the major difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer is the measurement of the difference in temperature. Clinical thermometer measure 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, but laboratory thermometer scaled from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, second difference is about the accuracy. When we talk about the accuracy out of the chemical and the laboratory thermometer, the chemical or clinical thermometer is more accurate and the laboratory thermometer is not more much accurate, means it is less accurate. Why it is so? Because there is one word, that is the kink. Kink is actually a term that is prevent the mercury from flowing back. The basic concept of working or the basic principle of working of thermometer is based on the kink. Kink is actually a level that prevents the mercury from flowing back. In the laboratory thermometer that is used in the lab, there is no kink. So when we remove or we take out the laboratory thermometer from the body or any of the water body, there is instant fall down of the mercury level. So it does not tell about the accuracy of that matter or that substance or that body. But in case of the clinical thermometer, there is a kink in the tube that prevent mercury from the flowing back. So this is the good property of the clinical thermometer. Now you can see in the figure that a basic thermometer consists of or having few parts, like it is having the bulb that, and second there is mercury that shows the rise or fall of the temperature. There is a capillary tube that will very narrow tube, and there is a stem which is having the marking of the temperature range that is different in case of the clinical and different in case of the laboratory thermometer. Okay, next is, what is the use of the clinical thermometer? As the name indicates, it is used in the hospitals, but laboratory thermometer is used in the labs. Or second, clinical thermometer measure the short range of temperature, but laboratory thermometer measure wide range from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer measure hot objects because of their short temperature range, like electric current. But laboratory thermometer measure very hot objects because of their wider temperature range. Next is the next question is, what thermometer we use to measure our body temperature? The answer is the clinical thermometer. Now next question is, what thermometer is used to measure or to take the temperature in the laboratory? Answer is the laboratory thermometer. So this is about the clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometer. This is the basic difference between the two types of thermometers. In the next class, we will discuss in the detail about the clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometer. So, what we have discussed today, I am going to conclude it. We have discussed about the difference between the heat and temperature. Second, how can we measure that temperature? We measure that temperature with the help of thermometer. What is thermometer? Fourth is, there are two types of thermometers, clinical and the laboratory thermometers. Now, what is the use of clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometers? Okay, if you have any doubt or query, you can call me or message me. Students, kindly attention, please watch the videos on regular basis and do the homework, read the chapter on regular basis for your better concepts. Okay, thank you.